Hello everybody, I'm Ian Marshall from the Harcourts Property Centre and welcome to number 2 Camera Street. Beautifully presented, a first-class renovation. It's big, it's got lots of space, bring your family, work from home or a combination of those things. Now properties with this kind of scale are hard to find. This property is sure to be really popular. So let's have a look through and see what it's got to offer.